My dear loving children, respected parents, and honorable teachers, as we know, this time is filled with preparations for Holy Christmas. We can see in the shops so many stars, decorative things, and even the Santa Claus dress on display. And the cakes are being distributed, cards are being exchanged, the greetings are being sent through WhatsApp and SMS. And every greeting has a joyful message that Happy Christmas to all. And today I extend you all a very happy Christmas. Christmas is the day when Jesus Christ was born on this earth. Jesus Christ brought the message of joy, peace, and loving the humanity. So today I would like to extend you my message that as Christmas is celebrated on December 25th, December is the last month of the year. 25th is the last days of this month. And we know the coldness, the night, and the lastness is always connected to something which is not good, which is sad. As we read in the English literature, the coldness, bitterness, and the nightness always indicates at something which is not so pleasant to us. And Jesus takes birth on this time, the end of the year, the end of the month, and the night time. And the message is, in our lifetime, in the times when we are sad, when we are down, and that time when Jesus comes into our life, it becomes happy and holy. So let us welcome Jesus into our homes, into our families. The message of Christmas, let us be dwelling in our homes, in our lives. That is to love others and to serve others. With this message, I would like to extend to one and all the warmth greetings of Christmas. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year to one and all. Thank you.
पूरा करने वाला खुदा, कहकर ना पीछे हटने वाला खुदा, वायदे को पूरा करने वाला खुदा, कहकर ना पीछे हटने वाला खुदा। उसकी रहमत के गाँव सारे गीत, उसने मृत्यु पे पाई है जीत। उसकी रहमत के गाँव सारे गीत, उसने मृत्यु पे पाई है जीत। यीशु मेरा जिंदा खुदा, यीशु मेरा जिंदा खुदा, यीशु मेरा जिंदा खुदा, यीशु मेरा जिंदा खुदा। उसके करम से बने हैं ज़मीं आसमां, उसके फजल से ही जिंदा है हम सब यहाँ। उसके करम से बने हैं ज़मीं आसमां, उसके फजल से ही जिंदा है हम सब यहाँ। उसकी कुदरत के गाँव सारे गीत, उसने मृत्यु पे पाई है जीत। उसकी कुदरत के गाँव सारे गीत, उसने मृत्यु पे पाई है जीत। यीशु मेरा जिंदा खुदा, यीशु मेरा जिंदा खुदा, यीशु मेरा जिंदा खुदा, यीशु मेरा जिंदा खुदा। उसके जलाल और शहरत का करते बयां, मेरे यहोवा के जैसा है कोई कहाँ। उसके जलाल और शहरत का करते बयां, मेरे यहोवा के जैसा है कोई कहाँ। उसकी शोहरत के गाँव सारे गीत, उसने मृत्यु पे पाई है जीत। उसकी शोहरत के गाँव सारे गीत, उसने मृत्यु पे पाई है जीत। उसकी शोहरत के गाँव सारे गीत, उसने मृत्यु पे पाई।
Where there is faith, there is love. Where there is love, there is peace. Where there is peace, there is God. And where there is God, there is no need. True faith is a wholesale commitment to God. Christmas is not necessarily about things. It's about kindness. It's about faith. It's about love. Reverend Father, Reverend Sisters, respected teachers, and my dear students. As we all know, Christmas is going to come. So, a Merry Christmas to all of you. To all of you. As we all know, Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. And it is celebrated to commemorate the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. It is celebrated all over the world with great fervor and enthusiasm. In the cold winters, Christmas brings forth the warmth of festivities. It is the season of joy, gift giving, of families united. People rejoice and make merry. Especially the children feel elated. They wait for the Santa Claus to come with his gifts and surprises. I feel at such times of joy, we should not forget about those who are less fortunate. Amidst such joy and festivities, we should also remember to make a voluntary contribution to uplift the society. Christmas is not just a one-day festival. It is a symbol of love, joy, and happiness. If we really want to gift someone on this day, no gift will be better than to forgive one's enemy, to do charity, to become a good example of humanity, and to give respect to oneself and everyone else. So this Christmas, let's try to be the Santa Claus for someone who really needs help. A small gift or just little bit of food, warm food, can cheer up someone more than one. So why not initiate a will of volunteering to make this world a better place? May this Christmas increase your faith in God. Once again, from the bottom of my heart, I wish all of you a merry and blessed Christmas. Thank you.
दुनिया डूबी गुनाह दे विच सारी दुनिया डूबी गुनाह दे विच सारी देशा पिता ही आना पै गया हो बल्ले बल्ले देशा पिता ही आना पै गया ओनू छड्ड के शान इलाही ओनू छड्ड के शान इलाही ते रूप नू वटाना पै गया हो बल्ले बल्ले देशा पिता ही आना पै गया आदम ते खुदा दी जदों हो गई जुदाई आदम ते खुदा दी जदों हो गई जुदाई यीशु ने फिर आके पायो ए दीवार हटाई यीशु ने फिर आके पायो ए दीवार हटाई सारी दुनिया दा तेरे लिए कफारा सारी दुनिया दा तेरे लिए कफारा सूली उत्ते जाना पै गया हो बल्ले बल्ले सूली उत्ते जाना पै गया हो बल्ले बल्ले सूली उत्ते जाना पै गया
Christmas is a festival which marks the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th of December every year with great joy and happiness. Lord Jesus Christ was born to Mother Mary on this day. Jesus Christ is believed to be the Son of God. The festival of Christmas has surpassed the religious boundaries and is celebrated by everyone. This festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm and happiness. Kids get a lot of new presents and new dresses. They also get sweets and gifts from Santa Claus dressed in red and white fluffy costume. People invite friends and relatives, and when we celebrate the birth of Lord Jesus Christ, let us make sure that He is not born only in the cribs but also in our hearts. And if Jesus is born in our hearts, our lives will be transformed. We can love and forgive everyone and have peace and harmony. Let the season of celebration spread peace and harmony everywhere. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
During this Christmas season, may the heavenly angels guard you, goodness comfort you, sadness escape you, and grace of God cover you all. May you all live a long, happy, and healthy life filled with lots of goodwill and happiness. Wish you all Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the night sky look down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. The cattle are lowing, the baby awakes, but little Lord Jesus no crying he makes. I love thee, Lord Jesus. Look down from the sky and stay by my cradle till morning is nigh. Be near me, Lord Jesus. I ask thee to stay close by me forever and love me, I pray.
आसमां से कोई धरती पे आया, धरती पे आया, फलक से खुदा ने प्यार बरसाया, प्यार बरसाया, प्यार से मसीहा ने सबको बुलाया, जिंदगी का बादशाह जिंदगी है लाया। Merry Christmas to you, hey hey hey, Merry Christmas to you, Merry Christmas to you, hey 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 hey, Merry Christmas to you, hey hey hey, Merry Christmas to you, Merry Christmas to you, hey 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 hey. उसके आने से हर तरफ नूर हुआ, पापों का अंधियारा इस जहां से दूर हुआ। उसके आने से हर तरफ नूर हुआ, पापों का अंधियारा इस जहां से दूर हुआ। यीशु के प्यार से हर गम है दूर हुआ, यीशु के प्यार से हर गम है दूर हुआ। उसने मिटाया है मौत का भी साया। Merry Christmas to you, hey hey hey, Merry Christmas to you, Merry Christmas to you, hey 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 hey, Merry Christmas to you, hey hey hey, Merry Christmas to you, आज मन मेरे यीशु नाम, मन तो पुकारे यीशु नाम, प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे, प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे। आज मन मेरे यीशु नाम, मन तो पुकारे यीशु नाम, प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे, प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे, प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे, प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे। घर और गगन में कोई नाम न दूजा, मुक्तिदायक नाम प्रभु यीशु नाम। नाम ये सुन सब नतमस्तक रहे, सबसे श्रेष्ठ नाम प्रभु यीशु नाम, प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे, प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे, प्रभु यीशु नाम पुकारे, यीशु नाम। We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Christmas waves magic wand over this world, and beholds everything becomes softer and more beautiful. May your dreams turn into reality and your life becomes more beautiful. May this Christmas be the gate where storm could come and can't come back. Wishing you all Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.